Do you have any advice for art block or burnout? Tutorial time, you guys. Here's a quick little tutorial on how I go about drawing a figure. Could you get tips on drawing hands? Ideas are worthless. Do you have any advice for art block or burnout? Such a big topic and there's so many factors to it. And it could have a lot to do with your own environment and mental state, right? Like, for example, if you're depressed, I would imagine that art block, you're a lot more susceptible to art block. I know I am. When you are struggling with art block or burnout, the first thing I would recommend is the basics, absolute basics. Are you eating enough? Are you eating nutritious food? Are you sleeping enough? Are you sleeping a regular, good sleep schedule? Are you drinking enough water? Are you getting some sort of movement? Are you moving your body in any way? And is your environment comfortable, basically? I would say that it's really important to make sure the basics are taken care of first. It's a good time to reflect, actually. If you're having a hard time with art block, it's a good indicator to be like, okay, let's reflect on what's going on in my life right now. And you might notice, oh yeah, there's something totally out of whack. I've been eating Cheetos for 5 days. And that might lead to some art block. It might be fuel. It might fuel the creativity. After about 5 to 10 minutes, Cheetos no longer a fuel for creativity. Set them aside, leave them for a later 5 minutes, okay? Go eat something real. So I would say that that would be my first piece of advice. Tutorial time, you guys. Here's a quick little tutorial on how I go about drawing a figure, trying to make it as easy and simple as possible. Line of action. Second, shoulders. Third, hips. And they're always going to be pointing in opposite directions like such. And then I will usually kind of connect the torso, actually face her this way. Legs. She has to pee. Then shoulders. Then stick arms. And then head comes last. Okay. Could you get tips on drawing hands? So when it comes to drawing hands, the way I like to draw hands, it's very gesture-ish. I knew that I wanted the wrist to be bent, and then I did like a line of action, and then I drew the palm, like a rough indicator of the palm. And then this is a trick that lots of artists use. One finger separated, and then all the other fingers bunched together like such. Poking the thumb out over here, although you could just hide the thumb. It would be okay. And then from there, it's just a matter of doing 1 line, 2 line. Oh, now we have the fingers. From here, just a matter of refining the deets. So breaking it down into simple shapes, I think helps a lot. I mean, there's some wonkiness going on, but you get the gesture of it. Ideas are worthless. Ideas are worthless unless you do something with them. I have so many cool ideas. Everyone has so many cool ideas. They are worthless unless you make something out of your ideas. You gotta do something with it. You gotta turn off the phone and make something out of your idea and do it. Focus less on making the perfect idea. Focus more on taking action. A mediocre something is better than a never created, a never realized idea.